Hello everyone, this printer is Brother MFC-J5740DW. I'm going to show you how to scan documents from this printer to your mobile phone. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your mobile device are connected to the same network and also connected using Brother Mobile Connect app. For you to scan documents, open up the glass scanner, stick the document you want to scan face down. Make sure the document starts from the top left side. You will see one of the corner got green sticker. Then this is A4. Then close the scanner. Then go to the app. This is Brother Mobile Connect app. Select scan. Then you select color. Document size is A4. Then you select two-sided, one-sided, or flip on long edge. So this is one-sided. Then you go back. Resolution maximum on the phone is 300 dpi. It's currently in 300 dpi. Then you select scan. This is the document. Very quick. You can see the document. Then once you're done, if you want to add another page, open up the glass scanner. Stick the second document. Want to scan. Face down. Close the scanner. Then select add pages. So these are the documents we scanned. This one is 1 of 1. This one is 2 of 2. And once you finish, then you select done. You can save this document. You can share this document to somebody via email by selecting share. It gives you platforms for you to share the document. If you want to save it, then you select save. Then give the file name. Then select save. It will show you PDF normal. The file is saved. If you want to print this out, go on top and select the print icon. Once you select print icon, the document will be attached. And also it will give you a warning that document is left on the glass scanner. So remove the document. At the same time, we are waiting for the preview. This is the document we want to print out. To print this out, select the gear icon, print setting. Then you select media type, plain paper, paper size A4, borderless. You can select borderless on. Copies, you select how many copies. Quality and trace is auto select. What that means is you can pick the document from the casket 1 or casket 2, depending on where you load the correct paper. So we have the 3 options to auto select. Then you go back. Once you go back, then you wait for the preview to be ready. Then select print. This is the document, the first one. This is the document we scanned and printed it out. Another way, I want to show you how to scan using ADF. This is the document we want to scan with ADF. So go on the top and stick the document you want to scan on the ADF. And also make sure there is no document on the glass scanner. Then you select scan, select two-sided, flip long edge, resolution 300 dpi, 300. Then you select scan. Very quick. You can see the 2 pages. Both of them are scanned once, and you can see the 2 pages on the document. You can see the 2 pages on the mobile device, page 1 and page 2. So you scan multiple pages. You scan two-sided. It will scan it once using ADF. Now the same procedure, if you want to add more page, then you select add more page. The same procedure, if you want to add pages, then you put the document on the top again on the ADF. Then select add pages. So you can see we got 4 pages now. So this is how to scan with ADF. It will scan the document front and back in one go. Then you select done after you finish. So these are the document, 4 pages document. This document, you can save it to your mobile phone. Likewise, print it out like we did. If you want to share this document to somebody, then you select share. Once you select share, it will give you platforms. You can share this document. You can attach it to your email or WhatsApp or Gmail, then send the document. So this is how to scan document with your mobile phone. This is how to scan document from this printer to your mobile phone using glass scanner and ADF. Thank you very much indeed.